Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have Flutter and your device connected. Now start DevTools immediately. Launch your app with Flutter Run Observatory port equals 0 or use your IDE's Run with DevTools. Once done, open the DevTools URL that the tool prints or click the DevTools icon in Android Studio or VS Code. Make sure to allow browser pop-ups and accept the debug connection. This gets you live inspection and performance monitoring instantly, so you can move to profiling and widget inspection without extra setup. You should now focus on the middle steps. Inspect and understand widget behavior. Use the widget inspector to tap or select widgets visually and examine properties and diagnostics to see why something builds. Once selected, check the rebuild indications and layout constraints. These explain layout issues. Make sure to capture a memory snapshot and examine retained objects to spot leaks. Also connect the performance overlay and timeline to correlate long frames with particular widgets or async work, so you can prioritize fixes. Finish by profiling and applying changes. Record a timeline while reproducing the issue, then inspect frames, CPU usage, and raster times to pinpoint costly operations. Once you identify a hotspot, apply a code change, hot reload, and rerun the profile to confirm improvement. For memory issues, compare allocation snapshots before and after user flows. If DevTools disconnects or won't open, restart the app in DevTools. Verify matching Flutter versions and port access, and retry. That single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.